Hello everybody, welcome back to another Linux tutorial. I'm your host Codex and I'll be showing you how you can use Nano. And Nano is a popular, let's just get our terminal launched here quickly whilst I'm talking. So Nano is a popular text editor used by many Linux professionals. So to get started we need to install it. On most distributions this will be installed. I don't know why it wouldn't, but there could be a difference sometime in the future where they're not using Nano, and that would be a war crime. But anyway, we're just going to install it, and enter your sudo password. Well, your user password, I think it is. Make sure you have access to sudo for this tutorial to install it. And as you can see, I've already got it on the latest version. So next we're going to start using it. So let's use Nano. Let's just create a new directory using mkdir, which stands for make directory. So let's call this YouTube. Let's just call it Nano. So first of all, we're going to want to create a command because we're going to get into this directory by typing cd nano. Stands for change directory into Nano. And now we're just going to run. So now we just need to create a file, and we're just going to type touch in the name of our file. So we're just going to call this file1a.txt. And now Nano can actually edit previously created files, which is easy for. So let's say I want. And you can type any file extension. It can be anything. It doesn't even have to have a file extension for it to be used. So let's just type hello YouTube. This is a Nano tutorial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's the same stand. Oh, my desktop just quit out. Just give me a minute. I will be back when that's done. Sorry about that, I have a dodgy HDMI cable at the moment. So we're just going to type in that. You can type in whatever you want, standard keyboard that's on your Ubuntu or distro system. And now and just note, standard copy and paste, it doesn't quite exist. I mean, it does if you use the GUI and copy and paste, but if you're on like a terminal only, you're not going to have that. So you're going to have to use Nano's inbuilt copy and paste, which is stuff which is the keybinds control is control M6. I think that's M6. No, I do not know how to use that works. I've never used. I think it's there. I think that copies it. I've never really used these that often. So once you can copy and paste, and yeah, so basically, yeah, you just do that, and then you can run this. Control U to paste. I'll cut off for a second. I think I'm being a bit dodgy there. So that would normally, so you just copy and paste in, and now to save on Nano, you would run Control and then you would just hit enter there, and it will save it, and you can choose your preferred file, and you can even back it up. But what I'm going to do, I've opened mine. I don't want to close that. I've opened my ambient noises app by accident. So you could do that, but we're not going to. Well, you can, but I want to show you another way to save your file, which is when you hit Control X to quit the thing, it will ask you to save your modified buffer, and your buffer is basically like what's inside your file, and we want to save that, and we want to save it to that file name, and it's saved, so we can see, alas, it's there, look, nice and shiny. And now what we want to do is I'm going to show you how you can create files with Nano. So let's call this 2b, and 2b.txt. Now that file, as you can see up here, doesn't exist, but Nano is going to create it for us, and we can just type it, and it won't create it, so let's just type a bunch of random stuff in, and you can type whatever you want in Python, Bash script, anything. But so as you can see, the file didn't exist, But Nano can create it if we try to save a file that hasn't existed, that doesn't exist prior. It will create that file for us, and I can see it's there, just like magic. And yeah, so that's going to be our tutorial. And as always, like and subscribe, and follow for more Linux tutorials. And by the way, use the comment section. Like, just use the comment section. Like, review, tell me how I did. This video may not even exist if I don't like it. But yeah.